In November of 2022, investors got the biggest scare when the FTX exchange announced bankruptcy. While many consider 2021 a spectacle year for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, as they all hit impressive all-time highs, 2022 proved to be an extremely turbulent year for them, hence the failure to sustain this narrative. It is currently 2023, and what does the year have in store for cryptocurrencies, especially for Cardano ADA, which looks like it's starting to lose momentum? Well, it's not too late to find out. Cardano entered the market in October 2017, just when the cryptocurrency bull markets were gaining ground. At the time, Cardano was trading at 2.5 cents. By the end of December of 2017, when FOMO took over, Cardano had a high of $1.18. But following the crypto bear market of 2018, Cardano tanked like the rest of the market, and by the end of the year, Cardano ADA was trading at 4 cents. With this turnout, so many dreamy expectations were terminated. By 2019, Cardano lost most of its trading volumes and flatlined for the major part of the year. It was only the price that revived then when the rest of the market started gaining upside movement. This movement skyrocketed in 2021, and in September of 2021, Cardano attained an all-time high of $3.10. However, with the entire market entering a bear market in December of 2021, ADA started to dip and has been on the decline since then. Regardless of the decline, anyone who bought ADA when it first entered the market in 2017 is still in profit. And if you were to invest in Cardano between 2017 and 2018, you would have been paid anywhere from 4 cents to $1.18. While Cardano has remained highly volatile since then, there have been many occasions when Cardano has given early investors parabolic returns on investment. The best part about Cardano's story is that even with the price volatility, it has recorded tremendous growth in terms of technical development. Notably, Cardano introduced smart contracts in 2021, and adoption is still on the rise. Since then, the number of projects building on it has increased, including a metaverse project. This is a good pointer to Cardano's potential adoption and value growth going forward. Cardano is now one of the few Ethereum competitors that have solved the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, scalability, and security. And in the long run, this could help make developers get more attracted to it as people continue to seek scalable blockchain solutions. Thanks to its upbeat scalability and security, Cardano has several use cases that could help it grow in value over time. The cryptocurrency's key selling point is that it can scale without compromising on decentralization. This is something that most blockchain platforms have failed to accomplish, being highly energy efficient. Cardano is gradually positioning itself to be a solution to the increasing climatic crisis. But despite its powerful features, Cardano took a hit last year, and it's pretty natural to wonder whether or not this year will be a good one. Retail holders must not lose sight of what lies ahead. And simply put, bear markets rarely last forever, and many developers often occur when the markets are dull and gloomy. A notable example of this occurrence was the launch of the Vassal hard fork in 2022. Even in a bear market, the Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson had emphasized that the focus of hard work was on expanding the network's transaction capacity, which implied improvement in its scalability features. Also, Cardano has become a leader in the DeFi sector. What we think is getting undervalued day after day, certain improvements are going under the hood. Moreover, 2023 started on a good note. Cardano posted impressive gains in key metrics like daily active users. Much of this buzz was made possible by several upgrades that the network underwent last year. These upgrades are making it convenient and more attractive to develop on the Cardano blockchain. Sometimes it can be frustrating to hold Cardano, given its outrageous limitations. But if you think about the broader crypto market, it seems normal that Cardano's all-time high is just north of $3. It has never had that sort of incredible growth that attracts the attention of get-rich-quick investors. The last thing Cardano needs right now is a pick-and-drop strategy. The fact that the Cardano founder is known for his prickly replies and comments to anyone complaining about the slow pace of development is quite interesting. Perhaps he sees something big in Cardano that we have refused to see. And best of all, Cardano has a lot of impressive projects in 2023, which gives it more than enough upside to get interesting over the long term. Just in case you don't know, ADA is a great long-term buy. The best time to buy Cardano is now, when investors are not yet aware of the hidden value about to be unveiled by the world's 9th largest cryptocurrency. Are you a person that wants predictions before making any decisions? Well, there's plenty of those. While some traders are already anticipating that Cardano ADA could hit $5 this year, the text-based artificial intelligence platform ChatGPT paints a different picture. ChatGPT has attracted several people to the usage of its technology. Now its insight into the future of assets in the crypto sector, such as Cardano ADA. This AI chatbot was asked to share the possible price of Cardano in the future, specifically in the year of 2030. Based on the network's upgrades and development, the number of smart contracts and crypto wallets, community strength, and other factors being included. Although ChatGPT acknowledged that predicting the price of Cardano with certainty was difficult as a result of several market fluctuations, the AI tool did indicate several key factors that could impact its price by 2030, and probably before then. Firstly, Cardano is known for its focus on research and development, and it has a strong development team working on implementing upgrades to its network. These upgrades, including the Alonzo hard fork, which introduced smart contract functionality, could potentially increase the demand for ADA as a utility token for decentralized applications and services. ChatGPT also stressed that the growing number of ADA wallets could indicate an expanding user base and adoption, as well as the strength of Cardano's community, and his great deal of partnerships with various institutions and organizations could also play a role in its growth. In terms of numbers, the AI tool noted that some analysts and various online sources have predicted a range of possible prices for ADA by 2030. According to some sources, ADA could potentially reach anywhere from $10 to $30 or more by 2030, based on developments and increasing adoption. However, it's important to keep in mind that these are only estimates, and the actual price of ADA in 2030 could vary significantly based on a variety of factors. On the other hand, the chatbot added that in addition to the bullish expectation about Cardano's future, there were also conservative predictions that expect Cardano ADA to trade in the $2 to $5 range by 2030. With all these factors under consideration, Cardano could definitely reach the price range forecasted by the AI, but its development in this area would greatly depend on the wider crypto and macroeconomic climate, further successful evolution of its ecosystem, and other important developments. Well, regardless, it's still reassuring to know that Cardano is already set on a bullish path, and if it's going to hit a price of $30 by 2030, the momentum will begin sometime in 2023, and by the end of the year, the ADA coin price should be positioned in a way that will satisfy the bullish predictions of 2023 set by ChatGPT. Most of the time, experts blame the crypto plunge on last year on different factors, like rising inflation, interest rate hikes, and economic uncertainty that propelled investors to sell risk assets throughout the year and also fall short on popular crypto projects. 2022 will indeed be etched into the memories of crypto users for a long time, as the unprecedented event shattered investor confidence, causing many longtime adherents to question their stance and hurt prospective investors. However, right now, we are about to experience peace after the storm. Before you go, don't forget about Volatility, which is on its way. Volatility is the final era where Cardano becomes fully autonomous by introducing a voting and treasury system. It will mark the complete decentralization of Cardano, which began with the introduction of distributed infrastructure in the Shelley era. With this new age, blockchain users will have more say in the direction of the network because they will be able to submit Cardano improvement proposals. The treasury will also be in place to fund any CIP passed by the community, and a portion of the transaction fees will be pooled for the treasury. According to Cardano's detailed roadmap, Volatility will mark the end of IOHK's management of Cardano and start the evolution into a truly decentralized blockchain network. So let's not get so judgmental and pessimistic about Cardano that we forget how far the cryptocurrency has come. Things are just about to get interesting in 2023. But what are your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.